Welcome to Guide Glimpse. In this tutorial, we will figure out how to delete a Google account and Google services step by step. In order to delete Google services, you need to 1. Log in to your Google account. 2. Click on the icon of your account in the upper right corner and click Manage My Account 3. Click Data and Privacy in the left side menu 4. Scroll down to the Delete a Google Service button. Click on it. Here you can save all the information you need. 5. Here you can see all the services connected to your account and disable them by clicking on these icons. In order to delete a Google account, 1. Scroll to the bottom of the page. 2. Click on the Delete Google Account button. 3. Enter your account password again. 4. Read the terms of deletion. Scroll down the page. Check the boxes and click Delete Account. Don't forget to subscribe and watch another video.